HVAC gas furnace. When wiring up a thermostat, which should be low voltage, perhaps 24 volts, plus or minus, how many wires, the question is, how many wires do we need, thermostat wires, do we need to connect up to the thermostat, generally speaking? The question here and the answer is perhaps 5. But again, there are so many different systems, it's very difficult. But this is a generalized statement. It's not an exact science. But generally speaking, we have 5. We have a hot wire, 1, common wire, hot wire red, 1, common wire blue, 2, fan motor green, 3, heat white, 4, yellow cool, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We generally speaking, we have 5 wires for a gas furnace. And again, this is not an exact science, but it's a generalized. If you start to grasp the simple ideas, after a while it starts to make sense and it starts to gel in your mind. And once it gels, it just becomes second nature. It's very easy. So gas furnace, 5 wires, generally speaking. We have a red, we have a blue, we have a green, we have a white, we have a yellow. So again, red is the 24 volt power supply. Blue, common. Green, fan motor. White, heat. Yellow, cooling, which goes to the condenser, or sometimes people take and run a red wire out there. The yellow may go to the connect to the board, but some people may end up running a red wire out to the unit and then a common wire. That's just whatever you choose to do. So again, the topic here is how many wires do we have for a gas furnace? Generally speaking, the answer would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red power, blue common, green fan, white heat, yellow cool. 5 wires for a gas furnace. Red hot, blue common, green fan, white heat, yellow cooling. 5 wires for a gas furnace, generally speaking. So again, 5 wires, gas furnace, generally speaking. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.